I got one instruction for this video. Use the video planning skill. That is it. Everything else, including the skill you're about to watch me build, is mine. I picked the problem, designed the answer, implemented it, enabled it, and I am going to run it live. The point is simple. Almost anyone with zero coding background can work with their clone and go from an idea to a working skill in under 5 minutes. Today, I am building one for inside sales and marketing teams dealing with the same repetitive objections all day long. Recent sales productivity research shows reps can spend roughly 60% or more of their week on non-selling work. Research, CRM updates, internal coordination, and hunting through static content libraries for the right answer. That is the gap. When a prospect says, "Your price is higher," the rep does not need another folder. They need the right next thing to say, right now. So the skill I am building is called the Objection Playbook Skill. Its job is focused. Pricing objections, budget objections, value objections, and competitor objections. No encyclopedic sales assistant, just a fast, structured response that helps the rep earn the next conversation. The format is 3 parts: reframe, proof point, next step. The reframe shifts the conversation away from sticker price and toward outcomes, risk, or the cost of doing nothing. The proof point brings in approved evidence. Then the next step gives the rep a low-friction move forward. Here is the Details tab. I am naming this Objection Playbook Skill. Now look at the Instructions field. This is the trigger logic. I am telling the clone exactly when to use this skill. When someone needs help responding to a pricing, budget, value, or competitor objection in a sales or marketing conversation. The description is for the people on the team. It tells them what this skill does and what to expect from it. And this is a markdown skill, which means the implementation is plain language and structured guidance. No code, no engineering ticket. The operator defines the work clearly, and the clone can execute it. Now we move to the Config tab. This is where the actual behavior gets written into skill.md. I am defining the role, the triggers, the constraints, and the response contract. The skill must return reframe, proof point, and next step. If it does not have enough context, it asks one clarifying question, and it only uses approved company evidence. That last part matters. Use approved evidence. Do not invent claims. I am also adding a reference file with our approved differentiators, pricing guidance, customer proof, competitive positioning, and anonymized lessons from won and lost deals. That is what grounds the skill in how this organization actually sells, instead of generic assertions that sound polished but do not hold up in a real conversation. Now the build is done. Here is the skill detail view. I save it, then enable it for my clone. That is the enablement step. The skill is now available to the intended clone, without a deployment process and without waiting on engineering. You can also see it in the organization's skills inventory, alongside the other capabilities your team governs. Now, let's run it. Inside Clone Chat, the rep asks, "The prospect says our price is higher than competitor X. How should I respond?" Watch the execution log. The Objection Playbook skill starts, runs, and completes. You can see the duration and the completed status right next to the conversation. And the response is not a vague paragraph. It comes back in the exact structure we designed. First, a reframe that moves past price alone. Then, an approved proof point. Then, a clear next step, like an ROI working session or a workflow comparison. That is the proof. Not a static library, not a training completion record. Real-time guidance inside the workflow with a visible execution trail. I got one instruction. I picked the topic, designed the skill, implemented it, enabled it, and ran it live. That is CloneForce. Your clone using its skills, doing real work in real time, with the person still owning the outcome. If your sales or marketing team needs a clone with a skill like this one, this is exactly what we build.